This can completely mess up your YouTube journey. This can ruin your channel before it even begins because you don't understand a basic YouTube thing. It stops you from getting views and subscribers. Big successful YouTubers that I have studied are not making this mistake. Let's learn what this is. It is the order of your video. You are focusing on the wrong things. You are focusing on things that don't even matter. You are focusing on something else. You should be focusing all of your energy on these. 90% of your energy should go on here. So what is the most important part of your videos? It is your thumbnail. That's the most important thing. Then your title. Then you go to your hook. Then your short intro. Your content. Your call to action. Another hook. More content. Another call to action. Maybe a bit more content at the end, and then you point them to another video. So that is the structure of a YouTube video, right? That I have seen big YouTubers use. But what you need to focus on is the first part. It's the thumbnail and the title. If you don't focus on that, you are literally wasting your time. The first thing that I'll just kick this thing, man. The first thing that a viewer sees, what is it? We are humans. We see pictures first. The picture is the thumbnail. That grabs their attention. Then you look at the title. If you don't focus on the thumbnail and the title, if people don't click on the video, then they won't watch it. You're focusing on your video. You're making the video better. You're improving editing and special effects and all of that. But what if people don't even click? How are they going to see your content? You have to make the thumbnail and the title really, really, really clickable. Really good. Then you will start getting more clicks. Then they see the content. And the content also has to be good. I'm not saying that you have to make bad content and just focus on the title and the thumbnail. I'm saying you have to focus on everything, but focus more on the title and the thumbnail. And let me know how it goes for you. This is Mahad from Tube Hustle here. I make videos on how to improve on YouTube, getting knowledge from big YouTubers. I'm creating a community here of YouTubers that are growing together and learning anything that I learn on my journey to grow my small channel, and anything that helps me so far, I'm sharing it on this channel. Follow my journey. I am documenting it here on this channel. Join my community. We welcome all people from all parts of the world, from all backgrounds, all ages. It doesn't matter where you're from or who you are. You can join this community if you want to be a YouTuber. If you want to grow your channel, join this community. My name is Mahad and I make videos. I make videos in the evenings. Anytime in the weekends, I usually do some editing there as well. But I mostly record videos on Monday nights and Wednesdays and Fridays. I try to do editing and recording on those nights. I try to make like 3 videos all together. So you might see me wearing the same thing. No, I'm not a hobo, okay? I actually just make a bunch of videos in a row. So that's what happens. I don't know, maybe I'll change my top or something. And hopefully in the future, as I keep improving my videos will actually get better and they won't suck as much as they did in the beginning. Because my early videos, they had no structure. They had nothing. They were getting like 5-10 views. So now it's doing a little bit better. I'm trying to improve my videos even more. Some of the things that I try to improve are my titles. I want to make them a bit better, more clickable. Like I want them to just make people curious, and when they're curious, they click on it. That's what big YouTubers do. Their titles make you wonder, like, what is this video about? Is that even possible? And you click on it and you want to watch it because you're curious. And then they give you a hook. A hook is the part of the video where they just tell you something. They ask a question or something, and then that makes you want to watch the rest of the video because you want to know, oh, what was this guy? What's the answer to this question? Humans just need closure. We need closure. We need to get our questions answered. So use hooks in the beginning of your video. You can have your content and have a call to action, which is when you actually ask the viewers to subscribe or buy your product or something. You can have more than one time where you have a call to action. It's called a call to action, by the way. You ask the viewer to buy something, like say for example you're selling a course, a product that you're selling, and you have a product that, bro, why do I keep stuttering, man? I keep stuttering, man.
That you could.
So you have a product that you're selling, you have a link in the description of your video. You're talking about you're doing your content, blah blah blah, and then you say, oh, and if you want to get this product, the link is in the description right there. And you don't have one call to action, you have so many. You keep asking them like 2 or 3 times in the video because persistence is good. I've learned from a senior salesperson in the past. I asked him what is important to get sales, and he said persistence. And I've noticed also that big companies do that as well. They just bombard you with a lot of ads and stuff, so you just eventually, after you keep hearing this person telling you to buy, you eventually just will, okay, let me just buy it, and then you buy it. So do the same thing on your videos. That will help you get sales. And at the end of the video, you point to another video. You tell them, okay, watch this video as well, which actually helps people watch more of your videos, and then that will actually push you through the algorithm and you'll become viral and your channel will go viral. Making videos about similar topics so your viewers are all interested in the same thing. Like my channel is about YouTube. So if your videos are all about one topic, say for example cars, then people will watch one video, then they will think, oh, I like this guy's channel, let me watch another video. And then they watch another one, and another one, another one, and another one, and another one, and another one, another one, and another one, and another one. They just keep watching a lot of your videos. When they do that, creates what's called a binge session, and it's very important. So when people watch one video and then they keep watching another one, your channel will go viral because your videos are all the same style, same kind of topic, so people will be interested in all of them. So you'll get a lot of views and a lot of subscribers. What topic does Mr. Beast do videos about? He does like challenges, right? And game shows and stuff. But he doesn't do videos about supercars or something. He does videos about certain topics that he does. So that means that people that watch one of his videos, they will want to watch another one. They will want to see his crazy $1 million holidays, and they will also want to see his crazy $1 million car versus $1 million something, whatever. So you get the idea basically. You know what I'm trying to say. Make your videos about one topic. Pick a niche. Okay, let me give you an example of what Mr. Beast's video structure is. I will show you a graphic right now. Look at this graphic. This is his title. This is his thumbnail. This is his hook. And here he explains what the video is about. But here he has a part where he reminds you to watch till the end of the video to see something. This is a secondary hook. In his channel, he doesn't really link to another video. A lot of YouTubers do this, and I will actually find you another video. Like, look at this channel. He does it as well. So that is something that you need to do on your videos. And here is the area where you can do it. In the YouTube studio. Okay, I hope that has helped you out so far. This is Mahad from 2Pascal here. If you want to learn actually how this other YouTuber, this engineer, got millions of views on his videos, this is gonna blow your mind. You need to check out this video that I have made for you right here explaining that.